this video, we'll demonstrate how to implement code to create and customize a grid lookup edit control at runtime. For this example, a lookup editor will be used to edit the values of the product ID field in the order details table of the Northwind database. It will display a list of the available products in the dropdown, where upon selecting a row, the end user will change the current order's product listing. Starting from a new WinForms application, I select the form and create a handler for the form's load event. Everything in this example will be accomplished via code at runtime. First, I'm going to add references to the following namespaces. Then within the Form1 class, I'll create these objects. You'll notice that I have created the UI as well as the data objects here. Next, I'm going to create two methods that will initialize and look up the data from the data source. Let's call the first one initData. Here I create a new connection string to the sample Northwind database file. Additionally, I connect to and load data from the order details and products tables. The next method I call initLookup. Here I add the code to populate the grid lookup control. For this, I need to set the data source, display member, and value member properties of the editor. I set the column and drop-down widths. I go back to the form's load event handler and add the following code to initialize everything. And I'm done. I run the application to see the results. I click the drop-down to open the Grid Lookup editor. You can see the embedded grid displaying data from both the products and order details tables. Upon selecting a record, the product name is displayed in the drop-down control. I can also use the embedded navigator to change the selected record within the Grid Lookup Edit control. Thanks for watching, and of course, thank you for choosing DevExpress.